Hi traders, Hugh Grossman here. I'm the founder and head trading mentor at the TradeSpy Trading Academy. You're here because you want to learn how to trade. SPY options are our tool, and you've heard all about the methodology we teach. But learning doesn't end in the classroom. You'll need to practice that theory to get good at it. We've got several really great programs to make that happen. Our trading room is a place where we demonstrate the concepts in real time. Real market conditions, real trades. You'll love it. And the inner circle is the next one I want to tell you about. We send out our morning market analysis every morning at 9 o'clock to show you where we believe the market is going to go that day. We come up with a follow-up report later in the day as to what we actually did and what happened on the market. But the real benefit of the inner circle is our weekly meetups. Interactive exchange, bring your questions and concerns, anything and everything to do with SPY. That's the inner circle. Now look, we've got a very special event coming up and I want you to be there. Please register at the link below and I'll see you online.